Bodega Boys.
This is Walter Johnson from WKRT Lick the Ball News. We are here at the press conference with President Donald Trump, and he has some remarks in the Rose Garden. He'll be discussing the recent controversial comments from the Women's World Soccer team after they won the World Cup. Mr. President, how do you feel about the World Cup, the women saying they refuse to come to the White House because you normalize hate and you are a white supremacist?
I mean, first of all, women play soccer? I had no idea. I thought the World Cup was, for men because, men play sports much better than women at a much higher level. And that's something that I always have believed and will continue to believe. That's why I'm taking out a full-page ad in the New York Times to proclaim that women should not play soccer anymore. Also, when I heard that Pinot was coming through, I was vastly misled.
It's a Rapino.
Excuse me?
Rapino.
Rapino?
Yeah.
So it's not pornography?
No Pinot is coming through. Rapino.
That is vastly disappointing. So, you know what? Stay in your fucking house. I could care less. Okay? This is what's happening right now. This is my show. If you don't want to come to my crib and be on the Donald Trumpito show, you know what I'm saying? That's your loss. Take your L. Even I know you had a parade in New York and everybody showed out and it was a huge thing and it caused massive traffic and everybody was loving you. But guess what? No love over here on this side. You're the ops. You know what I'm saying? And you will never get paid equally because you are the ops and I'm in charge. I run this shit. Tell him, babe. I mean, he's not lying. He is the sitting president right now, currently. It seems to me that he does whatever the fuck he wants whenever he wants. He is the capo di tutti capi, as the Italians people would say. Just yesterday, I was called Sicilian by an Italian man. I don't know what that means. I'm a neurosurgeon. I can't give you the fucking mic back, you garbage bag. Listen, I don't give a shit if any sports teams come here ever again. The only teams that I care about are teams where people of my descent naturally dominate, such as like hockey and golf and things of that nature. Also, being very small and having fights at bagel shops. This is episode 164 of the Bodega Boys podcast. I'm going to immediately knock this water pitcher over and get the fuck out of here because time's running after me. Shout out to my nigga Putin. Mixtape is dropping this summer. It's going to be a real hot summer. Holla at your boy. It's on DotPiff.com. Holla. We out. Peace. 164. Bodega Boys. It's lit. Trumpito. Suck my dick in the back.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Was a mess. Yo, episode 164. AK, let's see if we remember how to make a podcast.
Yo, it doesn't even matter
It's
anymore.
your boys, these nice.
This shit just keeps getting more abstract.
You know what it is? We're at Warhol painting. You know what I'm saying? Like, you look at it and it's like, it just keeps changing on you.
Like,
You're just like,
oh my God, bro.
You see the flavors, you see the layers, you see the textures.
Fam. Like, if you look at a Jackson Pollock painting, you're like, yo, what is this shit? But then an art dealer nigga comes through and he's like, yo, this shit is worth $50 million, dog.
Shout out to you thinking I know what a Jackson... I mean, I know what a Jackson Pollock painting is, but thank you for assuming off the rip I would get that reference.
You know what
that
I'm
means a
saying?
lot.
Right,
I would say Thomas Kincaid.
Thomas Kincaid. Yo, Thomas Kincaid. Yo, you know what? I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say Thomas Kincaid paintings are not that bad. If you want to fucking if you have a lot of wall space and you just wanted like some regular shit. No, I don't. I don't. I have local artist art displayed in my house.
This nigga got finger her art. No, oh shit, he died?
He died?
Oh, get the fuck out of here.
Who's painting all the paintings?
Wait,
I just imagine this nigga Dolo in the basement.
He died in like 2020. He died in 2012. Damn, we got dark fast.
Yo,
wow.
Damn.
Net worth 70 mil.
Sorry, Tom.
70 mil. Oh, wow. Rest in peace, Thomas Kincaid.
R.I.P. Thomas Kincaid.
Damn,
dog.
Damn, niggas die every day.
Yo, paint the heavens above, my G.
Yo, I wonder if heaven got a pro paint.
Like, nah, nigga, we got to blink art supplies. Nigga, that's all you get. That's all you stupid graffiti niggas stole all the markers from Pearl.
Oh, shit.
He had to go out of business.
Oh, shit. What did he die from?
Paint fumes?
Natural causes.
Paint inhalation?
acute intoxication from alcohol and Valium. No, that's not natural causes.
Oh shit, nigga, the nigga was lit.
Turn up.
Turn up.
Wow.
Time. Oh shit.
Okay.
Yo, he not going out. Yo, he went out like a G.
His girlfriend of 18 months, he had been home drinking the night prior to his death, stated the artist died in his sleep, very happy in the house he built with the paintings he loved.
Yo, shout out to you.
That's how you go out.
Like, yo,
shit.
He's like, yo, I'm gonna eat these chewies, nigga, and I'm gonna drink this fucking fifth of Jack, nigga, and I'm gonna see you never.
I'm taking it to the head. Yo, the mixed Valium and yo, you playing some Russian roulette right there, dog.
Don't get crossfaded, yo.
Yo, you can't. No, if I'm worth 70 mil, I'm taking a vitamin. I'm working out,
dog. Nigga, I'm buying 6 Pelotons,
okay.
nigga. I'm just having a line. Like,
I'm doing the treadmill while riding the bike.
I got the treadmill in my hands and shit, nigga. Like, you crazy? Fam.
Rest in peace, Tommy Kincaid.
Yo, damn, R.I.P. God. Fuck.
Shit. So did the price of this is art worth more now?
Now it's vintage. You know, dead artists get better promotion. You know what I'm saying?
I mean,
Mrs. Kincaid is like, yo.
No, he was divorced, and I guess the state or something. Did the state go to his girlfriend of 18 months?
Oh shit,
or some shit. The wife had filed for divorce 2 years earlier.
Oof.
With their daughter, damn, their daughter's got the white names: Merritt, Chandler, Windsor, and Everett.
Oh my nigga, that sounds like air freshener names. What the fuck?
The ex-wife and the girlfriend reached a private agreement, but she had like a restraining order against her.
What?
She's messy.
Yo, you messy?
Yo, let me tell you, if you live a messy life. That's the sad part. You don't get to see the messy part when you die.
When niggas open up that box, like, yo, let's see what's in here.
It's your funeral, and like people like the front rows for the family, and the two families come in, it's like the Spider-Man meme, like.
yo, we got the same face.
Will his wife stand up, and two people stand up at the same time? You in the back, like. You're like, yo. You like, yo. Like, that's when you put your phone out, like, yo, there's about to be some drama.
There's about to be some drama. The two eyes are screaming at each other like,
it's a fraud. I looked it first. And the best funerals are the ones that they open the mic to the public. Woo!
Oh, nigga, my funeral, I'm gonna have a pre-recorded message.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
I'll be like, this is Mero always stated he was just like he would like to open the floor for a rap cipher. Real hip hop only. Oh shit.
Niggas just come up and start freestyling to Who Shot You for 12 hours. My mom is inconsolable. She's like, what is this?
I'm like, he loved hip hop. He loved hip hop so much. You don't understand.
Pull Playboy Cardi. He wanted to say, listen to Playboy Cardi.
Yo, if you got some, now's your chance. My man Mero, he just got that beat out there. You want to say something? Go ahead.
Yo, Mero was my nigga, I loved him.
Say what?
Now he's dead, I fucked him.
Oh no.
That didn't even make sense. It don't even matter, nigga, cause rap don't make sense. 2019, nigga, we clean. Riding on 20s, we clean. Nigga, out my face
I'm
is
feeling
mean.
rad. About to be a new dad. Took his 4 kids home. For the belt, cause it was acting bad. Little girl said she's sad.
Why?
Little boy said he's bad.
Why?
I said, look, little bastard, you are best cause you don't have a dad. Oh, wow. Heather's like, who are these people? Why are they breakdancing on the coffin?
This man niggas in Bodega Boys merch like. Yo, they're like, when the family comes to the front, and then the two niggas that got the matching art emojis come to the front, like,
we're family.
We're family. Blood in, blood out.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
Oh, dark. Very dark. Yo, shout out to Chloe from East London, who works at the stadium. The Yankees beat the shit out of the Red Sox.
That's right.
Across the seas.
Got that pounding.
Shout out to the Red Sox being the only team to be swept in Europe.
That's right.
Wow.
How embarrassing.
Hate to see it.
Hate to see it.
But
especially since all your team is Anglo-Saxons.
Whoa. Yeah, let them know. But yes, Chloe she's a fan of not only the last show, the new show.
Okay.
But she knows the podcast. She watches it on YouTube. So shout out to her. She said I would not remember because she was like, "You're on your 12th beer. How you feel? How you feel?"
He remembers.
See,
He remembers.
I remember.
We always remember.
Do you remember the time
when we fell in love at the picnic?
Whoa.
Oh, okay. It's like, no, we didn't fall in love.
No.
No.
That Jackson's not acceptable. You can sing anything about Rebe, Tito, Janet.
Tito. No, Jermaine is also canceled.
Jermaine. Yeah, you seen that? Jermaine's canceled because he named his child Jermajesty.
Jermajesty.
So, sorry, sir.
Yo, what's the other one's name is even wilder. It's like Jermajesty and fucking
it's like Petri
germination.
Geraniums.
Geranium.
How's the Knicks looking in the summer league? I heard they went 0-3.
The Knicks are looking pretty bad in the summer league, but it's because they're playing like they're real players. So it's like, why are you niggas playing like the actual starters in summer league? Everybody else is playing like 17-year-olds. But yo, Barrett, shout out to RJ Barrett. I believe in you, my brother. You know what I'm saying? Like,
That's what it takes,
just bring it home. You know what I'm saying? Just stay aggressive, my G. You know what I'm saying? You were looking a little shaky in the first couple games, but yo, you brought it back in the third game. But yo, he's got some work to do. But I like the strategy that the Knicks are taking now, where they're just drafting every power forward in the entire league.
Yeah, I've noticed that. Like,
they're like, yo, top, we're not done yet.
Okay,
there's still power forwards left. Yo, get all of them.
So their strategy is basically me like playing NBA Live 95 for the first time.
Yo, I'm gonna just draft every 7-foot nigga.
I was like, yo, starting at center, we got Dominique Wilkins, we got Charles Barkley. I believe I got Charles Oakley, Karl Malone, and Shaq.
I got Sean Bradley running the point.
Just doing a wild cross-court pass every possession.
Put this shit on rookie mode, nigga. I'm just doing fucking shooting threes with fucking Shaq. Like, old Shaq too, like Celtic Shaq.
But I put the sliders all the way up. So he's shooting at 90%. Halftime stats, he's 15 for 17 from the 3-point line.
The game announcers don't even believe this shit. They're like, Shaq is 15 for 15 from the line.
They got to load a weird audio file they didn't expect to load. They're like, Shaquille O'Neal, 30 pointers. Like, what? Doesn't even add up.
Like, yo, turn the sliders down, nigga. That should be.
It's love. It's good. It's video games.
Yo. Speaking of video games, stay tuned. That was just very cryptic.
We know what that snicker. Oh man! Every time Mero snickers like that, 5 people get mad at him. 5 people, 5 very important people. So, in what world is that cute?
In
what world is that? That little.
In Mero world.
In Mero. I would love to see. That is a video game I would like to play. Yo, just like everything has Mero's face.
Man, psychedelic and shit. You just go in, you're like, yo, what's the purpose of this game? It's just like an open free world. Like, you just do whatever you want.
Nothing. There's
no missions. There's no nothing. It's just like, yo, you wake up, you're like, yo, what would you like to do?
It's like the Sims.
Like masturbate, go to store, go to work, call out of work.
It's like it's like Astro World, but to 1,000%. Don't try to be Mero.
It's like, oh shit, I unlocked the lay in the grass high. I'm fucking kid.
You lay in the sky and like the sun turns to Mero. He's like, yo soy de Miracano. The clouds turn to like
the Teletubby baby son and shit. I just come through like, yo, it's hot, nigga.
They're like, it's troubling. I've watched Mero World several times.
I don't understand it.
Cry for help. Like, I can't look away.
I can't look away.
It's Black Mirror. People get addicted. I don't want to live in real life. I want to live in Mero World. Come into reality.
Come on.
Get away from the light. Get away from the Mero.
Remember Cool World?
Oh, wow.
Yo.
Is that Mero World?
That's Mero World. I'm just fucking mad cartoons and shit.
Guess what, Mero? You have cartoon AIDS. You pull out your dick and has a smiley face, but it's like, wah, wah.
Niggas frowning and shit. The condom is like, I told you. And I'm like, fuck you, nigga. I just squeeze like a pill bottle and the shit flies into my mouth. I'm like, H3, yeah, hooray.
Yeah. We have to install gestures like on browsers, so I can just be like Minority Report, be like,
problematic light.
Hey, that was a problematic. Problematic.
Oh my god.
Mero World. Are you crying because you were laughing at that joke, or is it because of your contact situation?
No, that was genuine laughter.
Okay,
I got brand new, I got brand new contacts, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I had to.
Shout out to Mero, who, if they're just like, yo, you take out your contacts every other day. Worst come to worst, you can take out your contacts in 4 weeks. Mero's like, I will see you in 4 weeks. Your man pulls out his phone and goes, 4 weeks later. Then your eyes are going crusted over like crusty crab.
Like, yo, what up, nigga?
Like, what happened?
They're like, yo, you high on crack, nigga? Like, no, my contacts. They're like, yo, stop lying. Niggas think I'm like, throwing a whole intervention and shit. I'm just like, yo,
your retina looks like fucking Pauly Shore's Biodome. Like, yo, this chop. The eye doctor's like, I believe there's a new species here.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
I don't want to upset the ecosystem.
Oh god.
There's a whole culture there. They develop a way of life and a farming culture. They worship you.
That's the next fucking Marvel film and shit.
You take off the context. Why would a loving God destroy us? No! This is our Armageddon.
Niggas just burning up and shit like, ah!
The Mero eye people had never learned to have fresh contact with oxygen. Removing the contact lens rendered them speechless. The UV rays cooked all of them. It was a massacre that would never be recorded.
To this day!
You just fling the contact in the garbage. Fuck that.
I literally did that. Like, I literally did that this morning. I just took the Jones like flick.
You're Thanos. You just committed genocide.
Like, yo, fuck y'all. Fuck your whole society. Ah.
Oh.
Fuck my eyeball kid children.
Fuck your eyeball children. That was a good. That was a great album by the Strokes.
Yeah, it was.
Back in the
eyeball children.
Eyeball children. Fuck your eyeball children.
Shout out to Julie Casablancas for always sounding like he was leaning on dope when he was singing.
I mean, we need more dope leaners. There's some people. Wait, did Amy Winehouse die from dope?
Heroin?
No, what she died
was
from?
Was heroin? Or was it like alcohol? Like, was it alcohol?
Was it alcohol?
Or was it both?
Let's go to the Googles on our new show. What they die from? Yeah. All right. Damn. Yo, when the death section on your Wikipedia is long like this.
Yo.
Okay.
That's all that?
Oh, is blood alcohol?
Oh shit!
She 0.416. Jesus Christ!
Oh, she was turned up.
That's more than 5 times the legal drunk driving limit.
Yo,
Jesus. Whoa,
shit! Or like these on a Wednesday.
Hey!
Yo, hold your liquor, B. My man got the iron liver right there. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna study your body for science.
I mean,
after you perish, they're gonna be like, "Yo, how did he do it?"
You know what it is?
How
My family. It's a problem with my family. But the thing is, because I could drink a lot, but it just pee it right out. So like, I have to go to a bar and I'm just like pissing.
That's the worst.
That's the worst.
They gotta invest
once
some
you break
shit
the
like,
seal.
Yeah.
So what I like to do, if I know if it's gonna be like a long night, I'd like put a little super glue on top of my dick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Just if you super glue your foreskin and you get home, it's like a water balloon.
There you go.
And you just stick a pin in it and it's just like,
go
pow!
Home, throw it on your girl's face like, tag, you're it. But you stupid, I gotta go to work tomorrow.
God, yo, pee? You got pee in my eye, nigga. It's just been in your foreskin for 12 hours. It's not saline.
Nah, it's Pilsner.
Like, yo, that's a microbrew for you right there. Small batch.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
Yo, it's disgusting.
This episode of Sushi Boys.
Somebody said that shit on Twitter. They were like, "Yo, every time like a segment goes by, you niggas don't mention Pino." And then they had the they're like, "Pino, we want Pino."
Oh, why haven't Pio been a Pino yet? He's coming close.
Yo,
he's coming very close.
Yo, he's fam.
He's doing a lot.
He's been eating so much ass on social media. I'm worried.
I'm worried.
I'm about to
come
call
up with a wild pink eye one day.
Yo, I'll be like, yo, you got pink eye. He's like, pink eye for baby, my nigga. I made. I'm like, okay.
Oh y'all, Mama Sushi. He got his hand on the tray when he bring out the fucking. Yeah.
Yo, that nigga lap Mama Sushi, boy. He's like, on Instagram now with like the children's Fendi outfit. Like,
I saw that.
I was like, okay. You rich.
Yeah.
Okay. With a little R.
The P.O.
Yo, that's my guy.
I don't even know what to play there. I don't even know. We'll do that.
Yeah, shout out to P.O. You know what I'm saying? He's out here in these streets, regulated.
What's popping in Jersey? What's going on? What's the new wave? Here on the Secaucus Report.
Yeah.
We got our local resident, Joel Martinez. He's telling us what's good for the summer. What are you doing for the summer over there, guy?
Well, we got the summer concert series at the local park where we have cover bands doing.
Who's rocking this weekend?
It is fucking Mitch and the Mitches.
Wow.
They are covering all the Eagles' greatest hits.
Oh, come early. Bring a beacher.
Yeah.
Reminder, please, you have to bring a transparent bag. Has to bring a transparent bag.
Please. Free popcorn for everybody. Niggas saying you a bag of popcorn and shit. Like, yo, yeah. Enjoy, stupid.
They do that at my sister up in Yonkers and shit.
Yeah.
And if you have it like, yo, we got the UB40 cover band. It's like,
you're like, yeah.
Right.
And then went to that shit with Judy because she was like, I wasn't even gonna ask you to come to this shit. She was like, I already knew it was a dub. She was like, she was like, here's your blunt.
oh my God.
She's like, yeah, go ahead, just go downstairs and enjoy listening to French Montana and writing and shit.
Hello, Yonkers.
Yeah, what up?
Who wants to hear some Irie vibes? 1, 2, 3. Light vibes. We can't use actual words because we get told. Stay near to thee.
White wine. Keep it chilled in the freezer.
Moscato. Just sitting there like, oh man. Just start packing up the blanket. They put the cheese grill away. I want a cheese knife. It's like, nah, we gotta go. We off this. Let's go. Everyone else gonna drive out. We do beat the parking.
I thought this was a UB40, nigga. It's like, yo, welcome UB60.
Whoa.
Like, what? Who?
I hate this cover band. Please stay. We're about to do Nicki Minaj's Megatron. They call me Megatron. I am the Megadon.
Oh my God. Objectively,
speak on it.
Are we haters if we don't feel that's like? I feel like you can't say there's a handful of artists that if you're like, yo, that song wasn't that hot,
right?
Like, not even like, yo, this song is trash. Like, yo, trash. Yo, this shit is trash. Oh. And you're like, yo, I wasn't really feeling it.
Yeah.
Like,
no, here's the thing.
People be like, yo, fuck you, nigga. You hate no.
I think we get a pass for that because we're not her audience.
Oh,
like her audience is younger than us. You know what I'm saying? Like she ever since Spaceships or whatever.
That's wild because she's our age.
She's our age, you know, but she doesn't make music for us.
Oh, wow.
Like where am I listening to Megatron on?
That's true.
If you see me on the train listening to Megatron, I have questions. Did I fall on the tracks? Do I have a contusion? Do I have amnesia?
Do I not
remember what I am? Do you remember that movie with what's his name? Harrison Ford? And he got shot during a bodega robbery. And regarding Henry, yeah.
Wow, deep cut.
And then like he didn't remember he was having he was like, yo, I love my wife so much, she's taking care of me, whatever. And then his side chick popped up like, yo, remember me, nigga? Like, remember? Like we used to clap cheeks every Thursday. What are you doing?
Yikes.
Yeah. Annette Bening. Bill Nunn.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Annette Bening, Harrison Ford?
Yeah, that's a good one. Oh man.
Mad missionary sex going on in that one.
I mean, it's a good movie. Made 43 mil.
Oh shit.
Okay.
In what year? Because
91.
Oh shit. So that's like 143 mil.
I didn't say 1920. I didn't say it was before the Depression, back when people were paying with wooden nickels. Let's remake that. And it's just like your secret family shows up. You're like, oh
my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Lukey. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Lukey.
Your heart murmurs like, beep, 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 beep. Pretend to be dead. You're like, you got one eye open to see if people left the room yet.
The nigga's still breathing.
I can see your chest go up and down, stupid. Doc's like, I don't know how he actually stopped his heart.
I'm talking about like, yo, chill. That's the one feature of a West Indian heart that you can make it stop for 1 second. In case of emergency.
Needs a heart when a heart can be stopped. Oh shit.
I'm very concerned about this lady right here. She looks like
I don't know what this is.
What if she's going through it?
I don't know, a fist? I don't know.
She's in a,
Speaking of
knuckle sandwich.
Shout out to McDonald's. Yo, thank you. Your filet of fish held me down in Europe because other countries want to get cute and make their own food. And it's like, no, just make American food and make it the way we make it in America. All right?
Bro,
I'm not one of those stupid Americans, but I will go on record as saying American food might be the greatest food in the world. And a lot of y'all made knockoff American food. It's so close. It's so close. Just make it dope. Just go the full way.
I will reuse the oil.
I know this is a problematic statement. I will put a bowl of just average ass Chipotle up against any food from any country in Europe. I stand by that.
Yo, Deborah's like, you don't like eating our fish eyeballs?
No, I don't want fucking pickled herring for breakfast. All right? I don't want kebab meat. How much kebab meat can you have?
Kebab is the sound that you make when you throwing the shit up.
No, that shit it don't throw up, but it come out.
Yeah, it's like kebab.
Yeah. So I said what I said. Also,
Splash.
filet of fish. Mwah. Chef's kiss. Most beautiful thing in this, as Keith Murray said, the most beautiful thing in this world is filet fish. Ba, 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 ba. I'm loving it. Hashtag ad.
It gets in you. Yo, fam, I was watching your fucking Instagram story while you were in Europe, and I was exhausted. I'm just mad highlighting.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like,
I'm sorry. Am I not allowed to have a gap year?
He's like, I'm just discovering myself.
I told my parents, school is stressing me. I just need to take a year off. So me and Tommy also went backpacking through Europe.
Yo, I'm sitting around doing this shit with a bunch of families, and there's some kids that are older. So like, I got the little kids, they got the teenagers and shit.
Yeah.
So they all going to college. And fucking, I was reckless because I was smacked. I was like, yo, Shorty was just like, yeah, you know, she's gonna take a gap year. I was like, oh, so she ain't going to school ever.
That's pretty much what it is. Because a gap year turns to a nap year real fast.
Facts.
Real fast.
They call it a gap year, nigga, because you end up working at the Gap, nigga.
Wow. Fold them clothes.
Fold that, nigga. Hold this board, motherfucker. Fold these tees.
Ooh. Shout out everyone that works at the Gap, like, fuck Mero, because I don't need no fucking board.
Guess what? I'm coming through with the AAA discount card, nigga. Fuck that. And I'm hitting the outlet. What?
Woo.
Getting this Boba Fett for $2.
You're gonna have an upside down zipper. She gonna have a dyed impact for when someone tried to shoplift this shit and like fucking.
I'm like, nah, it's tie-dye, nigga.
Nah.
Shit is, you know the vibes, nigga.
Oh my God. Oh, shout out to the H&M in Amsterdam. I bought a pair of jeans, and Shorty did not take the security tag off, and I was like,
excuse me, ma'am.
I was like, I'm one of 4 black people in Amsterdam. I need you to take the security tag
right
off
now.
All right?
Okay? I don't know if y'all cops got guns. I haven't researched
If
it.
you haven't noticed, I do not have dread, so I am not a member of In Living Color. So I need you to respect me. Please, ma'am.
Yo,
please.
They were like, yo, are you in PM Dawn?
Sad adrift from memory miss. Also, shout out to me being a wild American dickhead. I don't know any of the country's other languages. So I was like, what languages do I kind of know? Spanish.
Okay.
So I use Spanish in other countries.
Respect.
They were like,
You know what I'm
merci.
saying?
I was like, gracias.
Gracias.
Sí. Like getting the waiter, I was like, de lo mío. De lo mío.
Papi.
Yo, my man.
Ven aquí, papi. Hey.
And you know, like we're traveling in a group, so like I see so I don't want to be mad loud because I want to be. If you see someone across like a crowded area and you want to get their attention, what do?
You're
exactly. Apparently, you do too many years in Europe. The actual cops they have that have guns show up. So you gotta be easy with it. You can't be in the fucking Banksy exhibit like, yeah.
They're like, what is that? This is a deal.
What is that?
Is it the ISIS rallying cry? I'm going to check this out. Who's the guy in fucking The Professional? The French dude that he had like little circle glasses?
Gerard Depardieu.
Was that him?
No.
I was like, no, that was a fat dude. That was a fat dude that was always like
over here. It was over here
league.
snatching all the women's. Yo, the wild part about Europe, they got mad beaches and shit. Like I was like, nah, like I didn't know.
Countries,
I thought they had like lakes and shit.
Countries be having beaches.
Countries be having beaches and shit.
They got coasts.
Oh, okay. All right, Neil deGrasse Tyson over here, Mr. Geography. Someone's mother bought him a globe. Anyway,
it's actually the World Book.
Speaking of beaches, I just want to make a public service announcement. Spaghetti does not belong on a public beach.
Yes, it
To all
does.
my Dominicans. My Dominicans. Spaghetti does not belong on public beaches. You are playing yourself, your culture, and you are breaking a health code law.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
Take your spaghetti and plátano to the beach in your cast iron pot. Keep tradition alive, yo. You know what I'm saying? And if you get a little sandy and shit, it's good for your teeth. My nigga, it exfoliates
Just because you
your
pronounce
enamel.
it funny does not make spaghetti on the beach all right. That's spaghetti.
It's spaghetti.
It's spaghetti.
It's spaghetti.
You sound like a villain in Dr. Mario. Oh no, do not get the vitamins in my spaghetti.
It's spaghetti con plátano.
Okay? My kid's over here trying to remake The Little Mermaid with a white mermaid, and over you come through with the spaghetti. Spaghetti. Now I gotta explain to my kids why those people on the blanket over there are eating spaghetti on the beach. And I'd rather explain to them why those two men over there are kissing. Rather than this abomination against God. Cast iron pot. The heaviest pot you got.
Yeah, exactly.
And now you got your TT in the back of a Honda to sell.
Holding that shit in her lap. Yo, listen.
And do you bring paper plates?
Hell no.
No.
Fine china, dog.
You bring your regular plates.
Of course. You need, and then you wash it in the ocean.
I bought these in Fordham Road in 1978.
That's right.
They
At
still
Conway.
good.
You know what I'm saying? I had these shits. I copped these shits to Alexander's. Nigga.
Got actual metal utensils. The fuck is wrong with y'all?
Cooler just clicking around and shit.
Listen, it's not too late to say sorry. Just potato chips. Potato chips, maybe tuna salad. Spaghetti.
No, I refuse.
All right? We let you get away with hookah. Like, y'all can't go, y'all can't, hookah, what are you, Birdman? You need the sun?
I'm bringing the hooks to the beach, and I'm bringing the spaghetti con plátano to the beach. That's a tradition that will never be broken. You have to, come on, man. If you had a bashment and a big girl climbing a speaker, you get in a position to catch her.
That's different. A big girl
That's cultural.
a big girl and a bashman go together. All right? You know what don't go together? Baywatch and Parmesan cheese.
Oh, no, we don't put on Parmesan cheese.
That's where you draw the line.
Yeah, no.
That's where you draw the line.
I'm trying to explain niggas. Sorry, back me up on this. Dominican spaghetti and Italian spaghetti is not the same. It's very different.
What is Dominican spaghetti?
It's straight to we don't ragu and fucking it's tomato paste, oil. It's like, yo, what do we have in this country that we can use to make spaghetti? Even though we have those, you know what I'm saying, options in the United States, we're gonna keep it funky and keep the original recipe, which is just straight tomato paste, salt, a little adobo and shit, some sazon, shit that should not go in spaghetti. You know what I'm saying? Make it taste like fucking like you up on 174th and Broadway eating off the truck.
So basically what you're saying is there's nothing better than like on a 90-degree day.
Hell yeah.
Just eating a heavy ass plate of pasta.
Hell yeah, bro.
With oil and salt.
Yo, just mad grease around your lips and shit, and the sazon is staying in your outside of your mouth.
And then you go in the water, get the wild cramp.
Hell yeah, bro.
Fucking TT get dragged away in a riptide because she cramping up from eating all this pasta.
You be like, yo, TT, yo, then you go to Ortiz Funeral Home in Parkchester, you know what I'm saying, and deliver the eulogy, like, yo, R.I.P. TT, you know what I'm saying. She wanted me to say this. She sucked Stevie B's dick in '87. You know what I'm saying?
I'm in the problem act like, but people don't even be like, that's right.
That's right. I
Praise
did that.
her. Praise
That's
her.
right.
I was there.
I
had the balls. Grandma, shut up.
Stop.
You're making it hot.
Stop. I had the left one. You had the right one. Stupid. Don't act brand new.
He DP'd you back when Hot 97 was freestyle music. Like what?
Well, Hot 97 was just like red letters with the bang and the O and shit. Yo, shout out to Hot 97. Also, shout out to 1-800 Cop Shot, who nobody has ever called, but I see mad bumper stickers.
No, people call 1-800 Cop Shot or
snitches.
The actual whatever it is doesn't make sense because it's like citizens outraged over police being shot. I was like, yeah, I didn't really try with that.
I don't know about that.
Citizens outraged. No, niggas call like I'll be like, yo, how much is the reward? And y'all can't trace that back to me. How? Nah. So wait. So I'm gonna be anonymous, but yet y'all gonna give me money? How does that work?
How?
Explain that to me.
Explain that shit to me.
I find it funny and light.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So nigga,
tell them like, yo, I want you to leave in a brown paper bag in a McDonald's by Yankee Stadium. All right? Is there any cops outside? There's another cop here.
Yo, I swear to God. So keep playing with me.
All right, I went too far with that last one, but you know what I'm saying. Like, just put that money right there.
So basically, like, that's the next scam. Like, shoot a cop and then call 1-800-COP shot and be like, yo, I just see somebody shoot a cop. Like, where's my 10 racks?
You know what the problem is? As two guys from the Bronx, I know for a fact we are not the first two guys from the Bronx who have had this conversation. I know for a fact we're not the first two guys from the Bronx to have this conversation today. Shout out to my boy Devon. He was obsessed with his big thing, his life goal. He was going to set up the most successful robbery of the truck that empties the MetroCard machine.
Oh, niggas 11. Here we go.
There we go now.
Some niggas be having. Yo, I ain't even gonna hold you. When they do replace that shit, they got the baby guns.
But they got a gun. It's still a gun. It's still a gun. Okay, that's key to this.
I'll leave a 22.
All right, there's no tact deployment over here. It's not Call of Duty. I'm not respawning.
I'm just calling the care package real quick.
And I was just always explaining to him. I was like, yo, you realize like a lot of people use coins. You know what I'm saying? It's not. You're gonna be running with like
the Monopoly man.
Yeah.
And shit.
I was like, how far you in with all these coins? Like, he's like, nah, like you got to do it right. You got to like blow the truck up.
You know what I'm saying?
We blowing trucks up.
Oh, so this shit went from niggas 11 to heat?
Go here,
real quick.
I was like, okay, all right. And I was like, so we blow this truck up on White Plains Road.
Then what happens?
You know, that was the next step.
Yeah,
where we going?
Do we just climb the police tower that's on the corner and sit there and wait to get back?
Now, you know, since you think it's GTA, what do we do now that we have 5 stars?
No, we just drive into Yonkers and it goes down to 1.
We're gonna go to the pay and spray. So it never worked out, but he did have some good ideas. One of the ideas, he wanted to put explosives on the steps. So like when we're running with the money and the cops are like chasing after us, the explosive blows up and like, I guess, kills.
Are you friends with Daniel Craig, nigga? Like this is some James Bond level shit. Like this nigga's like, yo, I'm gonna put oil on the stairs.
I'm like, you know, we're gonna get like $600. We're gonna spend $12,000 plotting this fucking scheme. Only have $600 in quarters. In quarters.
You gotta think fast. You gotta think fast situations like
They're
that.
They're gonna be like, if you see anyone playing Sacagawea dollars, please call us.
Please call us. They could go to buy a flat screen with fucking mad Sacagaweas.
1, 2.
So that's $2,500.
3. I gotta restart.
Oh man, come on now.
1, 2.
So there's a coin star up the block.
Yeah, and that's also, you know what else is up the block? 20% processing fee. I think not.
Oh wow.
5,
it's 6, that guy. Okay,
7,
all right.
8.
Yeah.
9.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
10,
yeah, no, I'm closing
11,
my line after him.
12. What time do you guys close tonight? 12,
like in
13,
about 20 minutes. So like
14, 20.
You want this TV or not, nigga?
Shit. You said 20. I gotta.
Oh my God. Yo, listen, fam. You came to the Mount Vernon Best Buy, my nigga. 2, Take the fucking TV. I'm gonna just put the shit in the back. Pull your car around the back, nigga. We're just gonna throw the shit in the back. I ain't got time for this shit.
Shout out to Mount Vernon Best Buy. When their motto is, when it's time to go home, we going home.
We going home, nigga.
We going home.
I don't give a fuck.
Ain't my products.
Nigga, do I look like Mr. Samson?
All right, I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck about this shit.
My name is not PC or Richard. All right? Oh.
But you know what? I'm taking my PC. Nigga, snatch $100 bill at the register. Like, yo, I'm out of here.
Do they still have Genius Bar? Is that still a thing?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you know,
it is for sure a thing, and none of those. It's that is the most oxymoronic thing I've heard in recent history.
Because they're not geniuses.
They are not geniuses. They are like, yo, I don't know.
I don't even know, bro.
Yo, so what's wrong with you?
Your shit might be fucked, bro.
Yo, why don't you just buy a new one, dog? Like, you broke, nigga? Like, that's how they come at you now. Like, yo, this model is 2 years old. I mean, you might want to upgrade at this point. I mean,
fuck that shit.
I mean, the new OS.
Yo, why would I buy a new computer? Like, yo, fix my compact Pisario.
Yo, fam, I came in there with the 13-inch power book that was like this thick, and niggas were like, yo, my man. Like, yo, nigga, he just looked at me like, yo, across his arms, like, yo, you want me to fix this? Or you want me to fix your life? Nigga, because clearly you got issues.
What do you mean you still don't have Tandy power supplies? My father found a laptop inside one of, because he's like a landlord in Florida. Found a laptop, and he went on eBay to buy the power supply. And I was like, what you paid for the power supply, you probably could have bought a new laptop.
Yo,
brand new.
Fam.
Brand new. I was like, what? He's like the principal. I was like, I get it. I get the principle. I get it. You know,
I understand.
I get it. Backstory, poor Jamaica, blah, 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 self-made. But when push comes to shove, man, yo, sometimes you need to pay a little extra to make your life easier.
Come on.
You know what I mean?
Pay for fucking a standard of living.
There you go.
Such hell motherfuckers,
That's what you moved here for, right? It's like that Usher song. That's what it's made for.
You know what I'm saying? That's what the Genius Bar's for, dog. You just drop your shit off, be like, yo, fix my shit, nigga. I don't care.
Nah, the Genius Bar, they be asking too many questions and shit. They be like, yo, like, what happened? You be like, well, I mean, I'm gonna keep it funky with you. I was beating my meat. My cat jumped up, startled me. I hit a glass of water and it got on the keyboard. So when you open it, like, there might be porn stuck on the screen. Like, I heard this was a judgment-free zone.
I'm just saying.
Also, and this is key to it, I was in Germany when I was watching this porn.
So it's doodle porn.
I prefer the term schnitzen.
Okay, all right, okay. Okay.
Big wet schnitzen 44? Yeah.
Schneiser? Okay.
Yeah, in my mouth.
Oh my God.
You want that? I'm the scat man. Give me that.
Hold that.
Nasty.
Yeah.
Nasty.
Did you watch any of that shit in Amsterdam?
No, because like you had to like it was like.
What is the process like to watch a live sex show in Amsterdam?
Oh, a live sex show? No, I was we were going to like art museums and shit. Niggas just go live sex. I thought you were asking me if I like watch porno on the Wi-Fi in Amsterdam. I was like, no, I was really busy. Going to a live sex show? What the fuck? What part of Amsterdam you know about?
The red light district.
No, that's not how the red light district is. It's like girls like in the window and shit, and they on their phones like this, and it's like little not teenagers, but like young guys from Europe walking by like snickering and like look at her boobs, titties.
So it's not like depraved,
or like Italians like, hey, mama, show me your titties. Oh,
that's lame.
Yeah, it really is.
That's bad. That's whack.
Why? Because lame is a what?
It's an ableist slur.
It's an ableist slur. There you go. Thank you. Look at the growth. Look at the growth. Look at the growth.
Thank you.
Yeah,
we're all riding on horses. You know what I'm saying?
I think getting rid of the red light district because getting to the point now it's more of a tourist attraction, and the guys that like to pay for it can't, get access to the rooms. Imagine you save up to go to Amsterdam,
and get your dick wet,
and then you get there, and
niggas like taking pictures, like, yo,
yeah, look at him.
Ooh, areolas.
Because they say there's no picture taken, but people take pictures, and also they have a lot of signs about please don't pee in public. It's a 99 euro fine, and I was like, okay, like how much public urination happens, fam?
It's like that?
It looked like an episode of Euphoria. It was just dicks everywhere. Niggas was just peeing left and right.
What?
And not even
after nut pee.
No, it was just like niggas
regular
drinking. Drinking all day, and just a lot of British people throwing that out there. Was just whipping out the cacks.
Mate.
They were just pipping out. They was just whipping out Big Ben in it.
Yo, easy, mate. Take it easy, innit?
All right. Pissing in the canals and shit.
Whoa.
Also, the canals have no barricades and shit. And you can kind of sit on the edge and just dangle your feet
into the water.
Not it's like you're over the water, but it's like cool.
What's the water quality? Is it like Gowanus Canal?
It's not Gowanus. I mean, like you got to remember, like American water is pretty dirty.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, you don't want to drink this water nor swim in it. But it's cool. Like you could eat like some cheese over it and shit.
It's just like take a whimsical photo.
Yeah, go there and like fucking like doodle a watercolor. That's the 4 jobs people have in Amsterdam. It's like you either make waffles, you shave wooden shoes, you do watercolors, or
you fuck.
No, there's no fucking.
There's no fucking at all?
No, there's no fucking whatsoever.
What the fuck?
You just ride bikes.
Yo, HBO lied to me, bro.
No. What happens is like you have a bike and then the person next to you have a bike, and when you put the bikes together, like when you like the woman gets knocked up, that's their sex.
That's how they have
Swear
sex?
to God, that's what I learned.
Okay.
Listen. You gotta listen. If you can't,
it's hard to fucking with shoes, I get it.
I mean, listen, I don't want to jump the gun, but I'm basically Anthony Bourdain if Anthony Bourdain only ate filet of fishes. So you have to trust me, okay?
I respect it.
Okay?
RP to the God. I respect it.
Jesus Bourdain. We're working on it.
We're working on it. We'll make it happen.
Bless the peace of the God. But listen, those filet of fishes was hitting. After listen,
fam, there's a lot of shit that's hitting when you're fucking wasted.
Nah, they was hitting different, right? Because there's one thing when you go to a different country and you can eat something and it tastes exactly how you want it.
Oh, yeah.
So you know there's not gonna be like horseradish on it. You know what I mean?
And then
be
McDonald's
like
just did
clamato
that
sauce.
thing.
Huh?
McDonald's just did that thing where they were like, "Yo, we're McDonald's is all over the world, and we're
Exactly.
gonna bring
The fries the same.
Yo, we're gonna bring an international favorite over to the Americans."
I saw that. Like, don't trust that. Don't trust that. No,
I don't want a French Big
There's a
Mac.
reason most Americans don't own passports. Yeah, they know. They know. Anything you can get in Daytona Beach is better than anything you can get in Europe. No one does chicken fingers like America.
He's like, "Yo, son, we got Baja Fresh,
That's
nigga.
right.
Put up your best." You
I'm
know
like,
what I'm
yo, welcome to this episode of Traveling the World. This is called Desus Destinations. Yo, today we're going to the culinary center known as Patterson, New Jersey.
You know what I'm
You know what it
saying?
is? Yo, you going to the Chung Chung Chinese restaurant.
You
yo,
feel me?
All right, let me get 4 wings fried hard with shrimp fried rice.
Oh.
And they have something here called duck sauce.
Let's get it.
Okay?
You know what I'm
Shit's
saying?
good.
And I
Yo.
need extra of it, by the way.
Now, if you look, it's a cultural thing. You gotta stand outside the shop because not only do you not want to get the smell inside your clothing,
Facts.
but you in case niggas run up.
That's right.
And I got that thing on me,
You know
as
what I
is
mean?
the culture.
Don't fucking play with me.
Everyone's like, I love this show.
Oh my god, it's only
How many? Oh, there's only one season. I could just watch it.
Now you just go around the whole entire planet and all
I
you
just
do is eat
go to-
filet fish. Niggas in like Dubai, and he's like, "We're about to visit Dubai, one of the most exotic locations in the world."
So first thing I did, I pulled out my phone, attached to Wi-Fi, and I put in where's the nearest McDonald's. So you know I need that fillet of fish. Give me that fish. I got fillet of fish jacket and shit. Yo, what's up? This is Desus Destinations. We come to you live from top of Mount Everest. You know what it is, shop. My nigga Green Boots. Yo, I brought a fillet of fish up here, so I'm gonna be the first man to eat a fillet of fish. Yo, shut the fuck up. What you mean I got 15? Nah, nigga. I'm up here. I let my nuts.
It's my turn.
Nah.
I climbed it too.
You know what? Fuck you. I'll kick your oxygen tank off.
Yo, Green Boots, let's fuck this nigga up.
Yo, go get your oxygen tank, stupid.
This shit just falls out of my like clean, clang.
Eating a fillet of fish. Yo, I just want to see how the buttery goodness stands up to the high altitude. A lot of people don't think about that. That's why I had the $15,000 fillet of fish protector installed.
No.
It's still warm.
Nigga said, "Fuck the North Face jacket. I need a fucking package for my fish
Nigga just
fillet."
sleeping with a fillet of fish under my shirt.
Like,
but
yo,
yeah.
I gotta keep it warm. Nigga put on this nuts and shit. Like, yo.
Oh shit.
Yo,
444.
that's right.
Make a wish and don't cheat on your wife. Jay, what are you doing?
Stop.
Stop. What if Beyonce finds out?
Yo,
you wildin'.
Yo, my Sherpa died, nigga. Oh shit.
Yo, you gonna suck me off in front of my Basquiat? You wildin', ma. Yo, that's Blue Ivy's Picasso. What are you doing?
What is Jay gonna? What did we predict? Jay's gonna do? Is it Jay gonna go full dreads or is he gonna?
Yeah,
get
he's
a
going
season?
full dreads.
He's going full dreads. Like Wyclef before he cut his hair level, or
like he's gonna
J. Cole level.
They're
or-
gonna start J. Cole, but they're just gonna keep longer and longer.
Oh,
but then they're
man.
gonna grow into like one massive dread.
like Gunplay status.
Yeah.
which is the wild brolic like
Can't help it.
air mattress.
But it'll be good. He's gonna drop another album, and kids won't want it, but us old wash niggas
Roots
gonna listen
reggae
to it.
joint
Yeah.
and shit. Him and Snoop team up. Oh god.
Jay straight from Yard.
Yo,
It's your boy. What
yo,
up?
it's
Used to be
J.A.
up in her guts. Now I'm drinking coconuts.
That's right.
Yo.
It's J.A.
You know what it
Y
is?
hyphen maker.
Yo, 1990s. I was eating pasta. Now I'm in the pasta, and I'm a Rasta.
Yo,
Yo.
that's right.
Yo,
Yo,
they killed Bob Marley. Streets is done.
yo, Cam tried to slay me for the sandals, but now I'm getting top at the sandals. Whoa,
it's your boy.
Double entendre,
Don't
nigga.
even ask me how. Right? Don't need astrology. Don't need astrology.com to see it's Ray and nephews. You're like, he's not bringing the heat. but
Wow,
this is
okay, I
wild.
guess. Like, yo, it's over to God.
Yo, Damian Marley, turn the flutes up.
Yo, that's right. Welcome to Jam Rock, nigga. It's the rock. It's the Jam Rock.
It's the
Holla.
rock, holla.
He's on the Just Keep Mad Paranoid. He's like, yo, Beyonce gave me half an edible.
Yo.
I feel very uncomfortable on this aquatic equipment.
No.
Nigga scuba diving. He just like, nigga swallow some water. He's like, oh, he's like, it's B, get me back on the boat. Stop.
I longed for a long time to get back on the shoreline.
Yo, I toil and swim. Yo, I don't got the arm strength.
Yo, climbing Dun River's falls. Yo, pray that your Duns River don't fall.
Yo, it's the Rock House, but it's really the Rock House. You feel me, Ty?
It's wild. I got a tin full of cheese because back in New York, I got a tin full of cheese.
Ooh.
Double entendre. Don't even ask me how
I feel like Dumbo.
Yo. Don't take a bath because I'm shower posse. Jamaican J.
Yo.
Big up.
Yo. Yardy J? I'm here for that. Yo, Jay, drop a reggae album,
Is that what the streets want?
Yo, it's all, nigga.
Yo, I'm in Tivoli Gardens right now.
Yo, what's good?
What's up? I'm behind Black River.
Yo.
Let me sip on that rum. It burns my chest.
Yo, shit. Yo, my God.
But instead of like a Rasta album, we're going to get like an Iggy Azalea one.
Oh, God. She like, yo,
why don't she just rap in Australia?
Great
Talk
question.
about the Outback. Talk about how rough it is. Talk about like,
you feel me?
Because like here in New York, you'd be like, yo, I was outside and niggas almost shot me. She would be like, yo, I went outside, a dingo almost ate me.
Wow. I'm like, yo, fam, that's part of the appeal. It's like, yo, niggas fuck with Meek Mill, niggas fuck with Beanie Siegel, you know what I'm saying? French, all these dudes, they talking that street shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, what's more dangerous than Australia?
Yes, man.
You know what I'm saying? Like, rap about how dangerous the shit is.
Boy, mate, I seen a wallaby kill my best mate.
Yo. You know what I'm saying? I pulled out my boomerang. He pulled out his boomerang.
You know what it is? The things go blang.
The NBA's in shambles!
Speak on it, my brother.
The NBA's in shambles!
Oh, yeah, there's been like major moves since we last recorded.
Kawhi Leonard said to y'all niggas, he just said, I'm going to the Lakers, or I'm going to the Brooklyn Nets, or I'm going to
I'm not going to let you get the chance. Nope.
He said, I'm going to the Clippers, nigga. And then he took Paul George with him. Finesse.
And then Kevin Durant said, I am not man enough to throw the New York Knickerbocker organization on my back. Oh, he said, I'm going to New Jersey. I'm going to be a Net. I cannot stand the media critic. The criticism.
You hate to see it.
The constant media attention. And the inevitability that if you fail, your actions will be scrutinized. So Kevin went to the second best place. He went to the safe space. He went to the Nets. Disgusting and egregious.
Yeah, listen. Every New York team that ends in ETS,
talk on it,
is trash.
Wait. No, the Mets won the World Series. Wait, no, they won one of their players won the home run jersey. So,
that's right.
Shout to them.
But
speak on it. You know what? Before you even say what you're going to say, I'll say what you're going to say. The home run derby is anti-black because Vladimir did not win.
Absolutely.
There we go.
Thank you.
There we go.
91 home runs versus 30. Do the math. Do the math.
Look at that.
You know what I'm saying?
How many times does the Dominican have to do something? 3 times.
You know what I'm saying?
The amount a white man has to do. I don't know. That's like it was like how the rules were figured out. Like we just
but that was
even the social justice warriors are like, yeah, you guys are like you're not helping the cause.
You're
like,
doing a lot.
Pretty.
Yeah, I don't know about that. But yeah, the whole system was fucked up. I'm like, yo, how does one dude get to just chill and watch other niggas swing a bat at fucking violent speeds 100 times?
Well, I mean, it's not. The system wasn't fucked up. It was just an anomaly that you're gonna have 2 freak superstars facing each other this year. You know, like usually it doesn't happen. You can't get mad. The system is set up to work a certain way.
But it used to be top 4 advance every time. And now they changed it to some weird bracket shit.
Guess what?
Like you're seeded.
Guess what? If things are getting changed and other people are getting short teams, I don't give a fuck because that's what happened in the Knicks with the draft.
That's true.
So hey, guess what?
That's true.
The system, fuck the system. Fuck you. You can't do. You can't. I won't do what you tell me.
Fuck you. Fuck the system. Anarchy.
That's right.
Anarchy.
What did I name my baby? Antifa. I want some anarchy. Doom, 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 doom. Burn down the patriarchy. Doom, 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 doom. This is like Fight Club. Buildings in the back going up.
Yo, that was. I mean but that was the most lit home run derby I've seen in a long time. Usually they're mad boring, and dudes is just like, yo.
Well, I'm old enough to remember Aaron Judge.
Oh yeah,
but remember Hamilton before him. Yeah. Remember. Yeah. Also Hamilton.
That dope feet put on a clinic, boy.
Wow.
Yo.
Wow.
Yeah. Sorry.
Sorry.
Can't get mad at facts.
Can't
Cannot get mad at facts.
No, listen, nigga. I'm gonna keep it 1,000, and this might upset you, but if you're a fiend and an organization pays you $1 gazillion and has a nigga with you at all times to be like, yo, fam, yo, just don't do dog food. Just don't do dog food. For 182 days of the year, just don't do dog food.
Man.
That's it. That's all we need you to do. And he was like, nah, I can't do that. So, no. You know what I'm saying? I don't get a pass. You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
Fuck out of here.
He relapsed in 2015.
You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, dog. And you had a babysitter, nigga.
That's true.
Like,
But
they
you know
literally assigned him a baby. I've never heard of that in baseball.
Have we? But I mean, we've had handlers before.
Yeah, but not for dog food, nigga. Like, nobody's coming. The sheriff's not gonna come knock on the door and be like, hey, do you need me to tie you off? Like, yo, come on. And that nigga was smoking like meth. Like, it wasn't even like he was like a cokehead, like the 86 Mets, like a drug that would like help you.
He was to do a lovable drug?
Nah, this is the coke. I mean, at least coke, like 80s, coke and the 80s, like it went together. But like, dog, 2015, you smoking meth, dog, and hitting mad home runs? Is that a PED?
Remember when he killed a guy?
There's a lot of that too.
He lived a life.
Yo, fam, like, come on.
He lived a life. Wow.
Does he still have money? Is he broke now?
Nah, he still got it. You know what? I jumped the gun there. How much money do you think he has left?
Listen, because I be watching the documentaries and motherfuckers, bundles is going for a lot more nowadays. Because I be hearing fiends talking about, I spent $300 a day. I'm like, what? I'm like, damn, you want it like that?
Okay, his net worth, 50 mil.
50 mil, okay.
You can't smoke through 50 mil. You can't. You will die before you smoke through $50 million.
DMX is like, try me, nigga. What? Hold my pipe, nigga.
Here we go again.
Yo.
No, you can't smoke. You cannot. No matter what drug you're on, you can't go through $50 million.
Yeah, nah.
Unless you're selling it, but no.
Yeah, nah.
For personal use?
Unless you're like hoarding it, like you're just buying every kilo in fucking Sinaloa.
No, if you smoke 50 mil.
Yo, dog.
That's like Grand Theft Auto.
Fam.
Damn, that's like all the Google's auto replies is, what is Josh Hamilton up to?
Oh god,
sad.
Sad.
Just sad.
Yeah, nigga, you were rich and
you were rich, now you sniff, nigga.
Yeah, damn.
You
nigga. Smoking that blue magic.
Nigga, you were leading the ALE East.
Damn, dog.
Now you just leaning.
Bro.
To the East.
Now you just hanging with Heisenberg.
Wow.
Oh, damn.
We didn't get a lot of anti-meth education as kids.
Nah, because
you know what? They were just like, nah, niggas ain't gonna fuck with that shit.
Yeah, like
nah.
Yeah, it looks too crackish.
Crackish was the original name Anthony Anderson show. Very dark.
Niggas kind of hooked on
Big Mama, that's my speaker.
Stop. Bring that shit back.
Crackish is filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Niggas like,
niggas like, and they just hit like mad sparks. It's called crackish. That does not mean you bring your crack here to smoke.
Yo, just man, crackheads in audience. Leaning, like smoking and shit. That's one dude like,
I'm gonna need everybody to put their crack pipes down. Not gonna say it again.
It's catching shit like, everybody that's leaning, please step to the left. Chief, can you please remove the people that are leaning? The dope leans, please, thank you.
I was told that I signed the release. So I'm allowed to release crack smoking to the air.
So listen, so what happened is that no. So
that's some bullshit.
Excuse me, get your ass over
there. That's some bullshit.
Okay, I appreciate you.
Just some full shit.
All right, sis, listen. I'm gonna just have you sit over there and smoke your krills, all right? But outside the studio, and then I'll bring you back in. It's all right. It's not gonna be no problems. All right, it was gonna be love.
Love your work.
Peace, King.
Ooh. Man,
yo, shout out to the Dolphins. Summertime is look. The feeds are all year round, but summertime is when they really show out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean,
that's when the hustles.
Think about it like
that's when the hustles get like.
You like chilling in front of your house with your kids in the summer. People like drinking wine outside in the summer.
Yeah. Smoke Krills al fresco.
I believe that's an actual program from New York Park, from the New York Parks.
Krills al fresco.
Krills al fresco in Bryant Park. They're like, bring drugs and watch your favorite movies. Today we'll be showing New Jack City. Remember to turn the 1180 on your AM radio and spark your cruise at the same time for a community cruise experience.
Niggas doing a flash crack mob. Niggas just all go to Grand Central at the same time, like, yo, spark it! Niggas got headphones on and shit, like.
It's like the pants off, dance off, but a whole different one. Today, people have been reported riding around the MTA smoking krills. Like,
more than usual.
No, it's an art program. It's for UCB.
Yeah, come on,
bro.
We're trying new things.
Come on. If I smoke a crack and he smokes a crack, everybody smokes a crack. Get on track.
Yo, fam.
Niggas watching Hamilton while smoking crack.
Yo, son, shout out to the D train station at Tremont because, yo, that shit is right across the street from a methadone clinic. And if your train is late, you are going to have a conversation with a crackhead, dog. Like, there's no way around it.
You know, the thing is, like,
I'm good. I'm clean, Poppy.
You know
I just came
is?
from my program. You know what I'm saying?
People make a big deal, but, like,
Oh, okay.
the numbers don't even matter because, like, after the third dick, like, you lose count.
Okay, what do you mean? Like, you lost your dick? Like, were you in war?
Like,
Are you a veteran?
You know, like...
Thank you for your service.
You're welcome. I mean, I was in Zulu Nation. You know, I spread hip-hop. But no, like, you know... Like, look at my teeth. They slide out, right?
Oh.
So, like, you know... Sometimes you don't got money, and you know you gotta suck on a cock.
Oh,
so you know I've done that a couple.
You're talking about sucking cock. Oh, okay. My train is here. My train's coming in 20 minutes, so I'm gonna just go and leave. I'm gonna just waste this fare and go get a slice of pizza because
we going.
I'm not trying. Are you propositioning me, sir?
I mean, first of all, why don't you lower your voice?
He's like, yo, come to the back car. Yo, that's sad piano and problematic like put together, nigga. That's a combo. Yo.
First of all, I mean, you're using a lot of legal words, proposition. I mean, I'm just trying to offer you a good time.
That's it. Yo, proposition sound like prostitution. That's not what I'm doing.
That's not the case.
I'm just doing you a favor.
I mean, listen. I used to be a car salesman, so I know about the upsell. Like, yo, when I'm not out, you could do whatever.
No! Oh my god! Yo, you know John Mayer?
Yeah.
My mouth is a wonderland.
Oh my god!
Yo!
Remember when we were trying to win an Emmy? Yeah, they're like someone said like John Oliver. No, just think. If you nominate us for an Emmy, you get to see this in the Emmy Award audience.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What you want to see us or some bangers in MASH?
You know, I want somebody from what's the name of what's the name of a show that's up for an Emmy? That's probably I want to cast the marvelous Ms. Maisel.
Ms. Maisel?
I want them to
right
get
next to us.
They want the ushers like they smell like weed.
They smell like pot.
They smell like pot.
That's what I think to emphasize the pot. They smell like pot.
No, look at the Spanish one has really big hands. He's palming it.
Yeah, look at him.
He's palming. He's holding
it down. The smoke coming out of his hand.
Look at the black one. He has his teeth clasped together and he's making a steamy emoji face and it's coming out his nose.
Come on. Isn't it obvious?
Smacked.
Yo, my trick though was at the beach. You know when you open up like a cold drink and like on a hot day and like steam comes out of the drink?
Yeah.
Like I would hit the blunt and then put it down and then like open up the little thermos and be like and exhale and be like, damn, there's mad steam coming out this shit.
Shout out to Rockaway Beach. You know my trick for smoking a blunt on Rockaway Beach is?
It's just smoking
a blunt on Rockaway Beach. What's up? You can smoke a blunt on Rockaway Beach and when the cop comes over and be like, yo, you smoking weed? And you be like, yo, I could fuck you up.
Yo, you want to drown, nigga?
Yeah, and the cop be like, oh, word? And the cop take off his utility belt.
Hey, you
be like,
just square up.
You should the fair one. And you lose, you get a ticket. You know what I'm saying? I had a cop in a chokehold. He tapped out. And I was like, yo, you good.
You good, B?
You good. He was like, nah, you got it, big man. You got this, man. He went out to somebody else.
He's like, sir, that's a Speedo. You wearing a Speedo. You can't wear that.
I was like, I respect that. You know, he took his L like a man. I remember one time I was fighting this, like, it was a female cop. She hit me in the kidney mad times. I was pissing blood for a week. But, you know, I respected her authority.
I respected
her authority.
You know what I'm saying?
And she
Respect
taught me a
gangster.
lesson. She was like, yo, don't drink a nutcracker that's in a glass container. You know, correction isn't punishment.
That's right.
What am I supposed to do?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Let's give these motherfuckers some tips, though, because it is beach time.
Is it?
And a lot of y'all are rookies, and y'all don't know how to get fucked up in beaches. Because, Rockaway, Coney, Orchard, you know what I'm saying? You can get away with that shit. But for all y'all that are going OT, there's tricks that you need. You know what I'm saying? Like, for example, putting vodka in the Poland Spring bottle. You know what I'm saying? Or putting fucking Henny in the iced tea. You know what I'm saying? Like, just masking your shit. You know what I'm saying?
Even
putting
better,
the weed in with
take
the fucking
some
fake.
Hennessy, a little bit of water, ice tray, you freeze it.
Hennessy cup. Hennessy cubes.
Take the Hennessy cube, put it in your butt. What? Suppository goes right into the bloodstream. Nigga, you be fucked up.
Stick a cube in your butt. Tell you go ahead.
What?
Why? Nigga, why?
But.
Yo, not for nothing. Yo, true story. Butt chugging. I mean, I you know this. Butt chugging gets you fucked up way faster.
Yeah.
But anything gets you fucked up way faster.
Yeah.
Because the walls of your rectum are just like mad absorbent.
Rectum.
And they just
barely knew him. That's right. Welcome, coming to the Bodega Boys Vegas residency.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Do you want to do something good for your old parents?
Buy tickets to the Bodega Boys residency.
Hey, mom.
Live at Harris.
Mom, look this way. Look,
Mom.
Look. We got you, Bodega Boy. You remember? You used to when we were growing up. You're like, you want to go Bodega Boys?
Yeah.
Who wants to be a good girl? Go to Bodega Boys. Yeah.
Thank you.
You could be the TT.
Thank you, Peter.
All those songs. No, it's Jamie.
Oh,
It's Jamie. But you can
thank
go
you,
to
Joseph. I appreciate that.
Okay, it's Jamie. But
Thank you. That I love them.
yes.
You know,
Yes, you still listen to their podcast every week?
every week.
Okay,
Damn.
they haven't done a podcast in 40 years.
No, they're on episode 2045. I listened to yesterday.
But okay, no, they died in a tragic fire accident after episode 164.
What?
Yeah, you remember? You were in the other car.
How?
You were drunk.
No.
You had butt chugged. You were listening to Stevie B.
Okay.
You went to jail for it.
When was this popping?
You were in jail for 30 years. You
Oh
got beat
my
in the head with a
God.
sock by a nieta.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Why are you telling me this?
I tell you this every day
Okay.
because this is Black Mirror. And you're atoning to your sins for killing the Bodega Boys.
Plot twist! Oh shit!
Everyone in the writer's room is like, Jesus Christ, Charlie Brooker.
God,
This was White Bear. This is White Bear. You've run out of shit to do.
Come on, guys.
He's like, no, wait. I got something.
The guy has a ski mask on and has like a weird symbol on it. Just go. Run with it.
I got something. All right. There's a spirit inside. It's inside your MacBook, isn't it?
Yeah, baby.
Your MacBook's hidden.
That's proper. That's proper good.
You go to the Genius Bar, in it, with your mates.
Yeah.
And they go and they say, I'm sorry, we can't help you. And you're like, what do you mean? And then they go, sorry, mate, we weren't talking to you. We're talking to the CPU, innit? Black Mirror.
Shit. Levi jeans.
And then Netflix is like, here you go.
It's
Here you go.
$80 quadrillion.
Right.
Thank you. Enjoy. Yeah, I feel like to get a show on Netflix, we just gotta have British accents.
Yeah, that's it. What we need to do is have a tape come out of us talking proper British.
Oh, shit.
Imagine that. Imagine if people found out we were actually from England, and all this time we've been doing a fake New York accent.
I'm fucking Algerian on the low shit. Like,
I'm from Oxford. We found out we went to like fucking Juilliard or some shit. We trained for 40 years. They got the wild tape of us in the Wiz.
it's like fucking this nigga like Tate Diggs and fucking Malibu's Most Wanted and shit. God damn. That would be a major plot twist. Can't wait to unveil that.
That
Season
would.
5.
That would. Cheerio, mates. They're like,
oh shit.
Yeah.
And then we do a song with Idris Elba and shit. He's like, I knew all along, right?
I have to tell everyone. Victoria's like, but he always eats bacon and cheese. I was like, really? I wanted bangers and mash.
That's it. That's all I wanted.
They just hit the Big Ben like, don't. I've got to go. At midnight, it turned into a digestive biscuit.
It turned into a fucking high tea and doing and shit. Like, yo, why do they always disappear at this certain time?
Yo, shout out to Europe for not accepting American Express. I get it. I completely get it.
They don't take Amex anywhere?
Some places are like, no, you go there, you be like, yo, you don't take American Express, and then you be like, you are in Europe. And I'm like, I was like, ¿qué? I was like, I don't follow. I don't follow.
Papi, I know picky.
They're like, do you have Europe Express? I was like, oh, I got you.
Okay.
Yeah, remember that World War II shit we did for you?
Yeah. Huh?
That's cool.
America came over express. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Save y'all niggas asses.
When America stormed the beach of Normandy in our Timbs.
That's right. Remember that? You know what I'm saying? It was us, Mike Geronimo.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Boot Camp Click.
That's right.
Okay.
Starang Wonder had the fucking bow and arrow and shit.
She was wild.
You feel me? Tragedy Gaddafi was there.
Flavor Unit had the parachute in the night before.
Queen Latifah came in and like sacrificed herself.
Remember the German guy grabbed her titty and she was like, who you calling a bitch?
That's right.
Yeah, I'm in World War II.
Yo. Then we all joined hands and started singing UNITY and then we defeated the Nazis.
We did.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Forget that.
Stupid.
That also was a very special episode of Living Single.
Yo, I revisited that like a YouTube clip of that show. I was like, yo, Maxine was bad, bro.
Who, Erica,
Maxine,
the lawyer?
Yeah, the lawyer. I was like, yo, she was bad. I think she was the baddest one. Out of all of them.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You gotta act like Regine wasn't right there.
I mean, look, shout to Cookie. Or Tootie. What was the name
Tootie.
of Tootie. Shout to Tootie.
We've never had a fight on this before, but you better.
He's like, nigga, you better respect. Okay? Put some respect on Kim Field's names.
Okay? Skating around looking all cute with her braces and her roller skates. I can say that because she was older than me.
Yo.
But
speaking of that show, that's a throwback. How many problematic conversations do you think centered around the character of one Joe?
On Facts of Life?
Facts of Life.
Yeah, it's cool. But you know what?
They're like, you know what she is. You know what, yeah.
Okay, all right, relax. She wore a lot of motorcycle jackets. I get it.
You know what I'm saying? She played softball and shit. They were like, yo, you see all these motherfuckers at home like, eh.
You know what's crazy? Watching Living Single the whole time, I was like, damn, Queen Latifah could get it.
Facts. I'm Dominican.
She could get it. But you know what? I feel like it'd be like some weird shit if she picked me up like a baby.
Yeah. You'd be like, yo, who you calling a bitch?
At some point, I'd be like, yo, stop. Not so rough. Yo, chill.
That's my DSCKY. That's my DSCKY. Take it when I want. Yo, it's the queen. It's the queen.
Relax.
She's like, yo.
Relax.
She's like, yo, you want to taste this flavor unit?
Yo, you can't be calling the thing a flavor unit. I'm
forever calling my dick the flavor unit. That's
wow.
it. That's it. My penis is the flavor unit.
Wow.
Who else is in flavor unit?
Mad people's in flavor unit.
Was Naughty by Nature in flavor unit?
Yes.
All right, cool. So I take it back.
Rascals and
I don't want to get beat up by Tretch.
Oh my god.
That nigga's still mad brolic.
Oh, y'all don't know about real hip hop. Y'all know about Roll with the Flavor.
Latifah. I really don't see what Flavor Records are gonna offer the.
You know the first comment about real hip hop.
Hell yeah. Hey, you know this shit is watched because niggas are wearing like the chains with the master lock on it. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Heavy D was in that?
Oh, wow.
D Nice?
R.I.P. Heavy D. Mount Vernon's finest.
You got a 9 and you got a 9. You got a 9.
Is that a sheep?
Because it's Black Sheep, nigga.
Oh, yo, yeah, of course.
All right?
Wow.
See, people think it's pussy, but he was like, yo, if you got a 9 and I got a 9, then because we all got, niggas got guns.
Yeah.
Don't let that boho Africa stuff fool you.
Nigga have the leather Africa pendant, but he also got the Glock.
The Gloogie on you, all right? He's like, we both going back to Africa, nigga. So that was our...
We're going to be petting tigers in the paradise together.
We're in paradise. We're looking at Jehovah. So that was our living single appreciation post.
Yeah, because we talk about Pinot too much, so we're gonna talk about living single for
That's
an hour.
right. Every episode we should talk about something positive to equal out the Pinot shit. So what you got? What you got?
CeCe Sabathia is the first Battle Hall of Famer. Absolutely, no question.
That's good.
That's
good.
saying that's very positive. Shout out to him. 250, 3,000 strikeouts, 250 wins. Plus, I think he's tacked on a couple more.
Shout out to him. That's positive.
You know what I'm saying?
I got something for you. An Indiana man whose 1-year-old daughter plunged her to death from a cruise ship could face criminal charges in a tragedy as a family denies initial reports that it was the grandfather's fault.
Oh, shit.
The toddler was on vacation with her parents, 2 siblings, and both sets of grandparents when she fell from a window on the 11th floor through the concrete of the Pan American Dock 2 in San Juan.
Yikes!
Officials at the port say her granddad let Chloe slip through his arms near an open window.
Why would you put a kid near a window?
They said, allegedly, he was playing some sort of game where he was holding her out the window.
No.
And he lost his grip.
Fam, you touch my kids?
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
You gonna hang out the window like Mike Jack, nigga? Like, blanket. No, you're
That's a
ignorant.
grandfather. That's like, what do you even say to your grandfather after this?
Like, nigga.
What do you say to your father after this when you go home? What do you say at Thanksgiving after you dropped your daughter on a cruise ship, nigga? You know how awkward that Thanksgiving is gonna be?
Yo.
Your mother's like, estupido.
Yo.
You be like, yo, can you pass the mashed potatoes? I know you got slippery fingers, nigga.
Yo, so be careful, Butterfingers.
What?
Oh.
This nigga making jokes. He's like, oh, spilled something else. You gotta go outside and screw up with him?
Wow.
Nigga knock over like some fucking Merlot. He's like, what else can I knock over? You just like.
You're like, yo, Grandpa, you sure you can hold the baby up out the window? He's like,
I think we need to move Lonzo.
That ain't no problem.
Huh?
yeah, oh, you got it, Big Papa? Okay, you got it.
Oh, man.
Next thing you know, nigga, you just hear, boom.
Wow.
Tragic.
It seems like he was like trying to push her against a window. He thought there was like the window was there, but the window wasn't open or some shit like that.
Ugh. Put her up against the... Wow, dog.
But now they're trying to be like, yo, the little girl was crawling on her own and she fell. I wonder if they're trying to save it for the grandpa. Like, that's kind of...
I mean, like, nigga, how old are you? Like...
I mean, that's a little traumatic. Like, you can't go home from a cruise. Niggas in the airport like... What's up, baby killer?
Yo, what's
like,
good?
What's up?
Murderer! You landing shit?
2, 3. I think you're missing a grandkid.
No, shit. I spent Father's Day with you because the kid is dead. Like, yo, damn.
Niggas prank call your house, play Eric Clapton, Tears in Heaven. Wow. People like, that was so mean, but kudos to the reference. Would you know my name
if I fell off
if you
the
saw
bed?
me in Timberlands? That's why I'm interpret it for all my homies. And I'm in heaven. I was like, I don't know none of these niggas. And I look across, I see someone in the Timbs. I'm like,
oh shit, yo, Murder Mike, what up, baby? Yeah, what's good, my nigga? Yeah. Yo, light it, yo. I got 5. You got 5?
would you smoke with me and get kicked the fuck out of heaven? Jesus is like, sir, he says no smoking. Yo, calm
What
down.
is it?
Yo, calm down, my savior.
Yo, chill.
Yo,
Yo, hit this
you
shit,
mad
man. You
uptight.
need to chill, man.
Nigga.
Yo, them sandals giving you blisters, nigga. That's what it is,
Nigga.
bro.
Now I see why niggas crucified you.
Damn, nigga, you get some cozy shit on, B.
Damn.
Get some Air Max, some shit, nigga.
Nigga send you to hell. Say it's like, yo, don't worry, you can smoke all the weed you want down here. I'm like, you see?
Yeah,
He's
but
not so
it's
bad.
mid.
He's like, even worse. It's CBD. I'm like, oh, no!
Nigga just give me the wow hefty bag full of mango, nigga, from like 1993. Like, yo, enjoy
What am I
that.
supposed to do with this?
He's like, take 2 pulls to get a headache, asshole. For eternity.
I'd rather smoke K2.
He's like, oh, yeah?
I'd rather smoke K2. Yeah.
Careful what you wish for. Nigga's like, bring.
Man, I'd rather smoke K. So your whole life look like a Roger Troutman video and shit. It's like, you're like, oh, I'm killing a guitar. They're like, you ripped out your intestines.
Yeah. You're playing your foreskin right now, sir.
They do a beautiful solo and shit.
The banjo with the foreskin like ding, 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 ding.
Oh shit! I'm like,
and I ride my horse on the old town road.
like,
Ding, 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 ding.
yeah, he's killing it. No, literally, he's killing it. Like, he's killing himself.
He's
like,
killing himself. Like he's ripping his appendages off.
Yo,
what is he doing?
It looks bad.
Riding down a minute in my Maserati sports car. Does Billy Ray Cyrus really have a Maserati sports car?
I would believe so. Billy Ray Cyrus got money.
He got money.
He got money.
He got money, and he got that West Indian, my kids got money, so I got money.
Mm-hmm. You know what it is.
Yo.
Just looking for something for a little, you know what I'm saying? little something right there. But you know what it is? It's been episode 164.
That's right.
You know
cowards.
what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys know about 164th Street in the Bronx.
Don't go there.
It's between 162nd and 163rd.
Woo.
Actually, no, it's 163rd and 165th.
You know what I'm saying?
Bronx blocks are complicated. It's not easy like Queens.
It's not.
Said no one ever.
Yeah, seriously.
Yo, it's been your boy D. This nice young Chipotle. They can pocket say fat like Tyrio. They can pocket say fat like, here we go.
Yeah.
Remember that, McDonald's. I cleaned up that AKA so you can put me in a fucking commercial for your fucking filet of fish. And I'll be like, yo, get this delicious fish in your mouth.
Yes, right.
That's the whole commercial.
The hot filet in your grill.
Yo, get this fish in your mouth. That's the hashtag. Put the fish in your mouth. Shows like people like they're doing a presentation. I just come to put the fish in their mouth.
Put the fish in the mouth.
Yeah. Chris, nope. Nope.
Yeah.
Some of them I know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take.
You Mark Cuban's problem now, nigga.
DJ Fuego, Mr. Nans with Orlando, 1994 en Nueva York. Mikel going off the Juve boss. MC Luca Gumpi, putting up for 40, which is shorty. Aki, don't talk to me in the Overpool. I don't know you. The original one plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. These are Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuni out the Coonery, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K, Low, K.
Let's go.
3 Phone Jones. That's right, 3 phones. Like one got a SIM card so I could do international crimes at Interpol, be confused as fuck, because I'm back chilling on the block in the Bronx. Call me the new Carmen Sandiego, and I'm not stealing art. I was just like shoplifting souvenirs and shit. It's sad.
Niggas stealing keychains.
I love Spain. I was like,
yoink. He's like, yo, I got 10 magnets.
Sir, walk through it again. I was like, ooh, Tang. Ooh. They're like, don't do that with your hands. Just keep it still.
Stop.
I was like, sorry.
It's
yours. The put them in the brown of your hands. It's yours.
See it in the black woman.
You know what? Send them to the non-hip-hop one. Damn, I'm sorry, man.
I'm sorry. Double LP for Wu-Tang Clan.
I bomb atomically.
Socrates' philosophies and hypotheses came to I'm dropping these mockeries.
They're like, no, wait, no. He has global entry. They're allowed to do Wu-Tang entry. That's how you get it faster.
Yes, that's true.
Do liquid swords. These like mocking Jake Chuckle Stanley Cups. Demon Dr. Bond's label. 3 times. Oh, wow. What a time. We were all going off. You know what it is.
Yo, we're going to be in Miami this weekend. That's why we are like, we're doing it.
We're doing it.
Doing shows, live shows, podcasts, TV shows, commercials.
All that.
Just finished this commercial with my man, you know what I'm saying? Gotta keep that shit on the wraps, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to yeah. I'm gonna keep it low.
Why you being messy?
You know what I'm saying?
Why you being messy?
Got the diaper commercial on decky, you know what I'm saying?
Messy?
The adult diapers, you feel me? For the wash gang out there. Yo, son, this is good. Nah, I ain't
Yo, chill.
I was gonna chill.
You doing too much. You doing too much. Yo, man, Mikel going off the Juve boss. MC put up for shorty with your shorty. Aki, don't talk to me in the Overpool.
I don't know you.
I don't know you, man. Don't talk to me.
Well, come on.
Don't make small talk with me. I don't do no small talk, mid talk, or big talk.
No.
Okay? The original plus one got my plus one, got a plus one. So don't make a fuss, son. You know what I'm saying? We're getting, listen, I got nothing but free time. I'm going to clog up your door. And I'm gonna bother you. And I'll keep asking if you have a radio and tell them Jesus is outside.
That's right.
So just let me in, fam. Just let me in.
Have you seen Chanel West Coast Meltdown?
Listen.
You wanted to see that shit time 100?
In the words of Nelly, let me in now. Let me in now.
Bill Gates, Donald Trump. Wow, he said Bill Gates, Donald Trump.
He foresee it.
Wow.
He was trying to get in the Illuminati.
Wow.
People don't know that. Ooh.
Shit.
Cornelius warned you.
Damn, you could have just played for the Reds, my nigga.
Woo. DJ Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Happy I left a blank space, so you could just fill it in with whatever holidays coming up.
Oh, yeah. Rosh Hashanah.
Rosh Hashanah. Yeah.
A couple months.
Yeah, Rosh Hashanah. Big time Tommy's like, I once was with an Israeli girl.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, she's nice.
You know what I'm saying?
Israeli broad. She had an AR. Gave me a chubby.
Listen, her choach was like the bomb of Galilee.
Yeah, with AR. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you saying that? You know what watch it.
She had a really nice demilitarized zone, if you know what I'm saying.
What are you saying? What are you saying? Next thing they're going to ask you about Palestine. Stop.
Yeah, I like Palestine's a good thing. It's I like
he's a pal of mine.
Yeah. Any Palestine is a pal of mine. You know what I'm saying?
Jermaine Avocados, young to go to Mufasa, young Chakuni without the coonery.
That's right.
A.K.A. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Kalo K, Tufong Jones, Dizek Makina. Jay Chuckles. Oh, wow. See, I repeated shit. Look at that. Look at the mess over here. So whatever. We're doing it live.
Fuck it.
Stanley Cup, the human Dr. Bounce, dilute. Diana the Champion, Mr. 240p, like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listening to Wash FM. Now, I was trying to figure out who would be someone that we haven't respected, who's a hip-hop legend. And I think people forget about the lyrical legend.
Oh, shit.
The lyrical Dundada.
Oh, shit.
My man.
My talk is too short. Energy is 50, so come get with me. My swag is LL.
My man Brian Pumper. Okay. Oh, and it's shaved. Yeah. Cause they were like, yo, I can't get enough of your bad dancing and your hollow chains. I want to hear you spit some weak bars.
Yo.
With Lawrence Fishburne's daughter in the video.
That's right.
Wow.
Yo.
Wow.
Stick to getting your ass eaten, my nigga.
You know what?
That's your strong suit.
I'm not even gonna lie. Someone told me that on a resume once. So like at a job interview, they was like, "Yo, fam, I'm gonna keep it real with you, chief. Like your strength was getting your butt eaten." And I was like, "Well, thank you.
I appreciate that.
I was on the wrong path, and you're setting me straight.
Thank you for being sex positive.
Thank you. Is it sex positive? Sex posy, sex posy. So yeah, shout out to B Pumper. I don't know. I don't know if they got on Spotify.
Is he still out here making Pinot?
Probably, but not for the public.
Oof.
Yeah, he probably paying his rent in Pinot.
Damn, that nigga probably got an OnlyFans.
That nigga probably got an OnlyFans. He gonna make some diss track now with his dick out. Nobody want that. Leave us alone. Don't leave the brand alone.
We don't want no squabbles.
The Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Leon, my heart will go on. Catch me singing in some random soccer field in Brooklyn next year.
Yeah.
Because I'm checking on clear. Ray and Nephew's nephew, you know what it is. Anytime I go outside New York, you know what I mean? When I go to the Caribbean, it's just me and Bay. You know what? I like to drink Ray and Nephew's nephew. It's just a rock. Right. I'll be like, yo, Blue, roll that thing up.
Light it.
Light it. Don't legalize it. Yo, Memphis Bleak, put this pack in your butt. The Moreno, you can't casino. You remember where the
Wait
job.
for my day to come. Just give me the word.
Young Aaron, the race provocateur, Henrik Budcoast, Nelson Mandela, Sergio can't see me, Vladimir Buford, the human word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Beckstone, Tech, Ricky Tiki Squaggy, Greg Popovich, Morris says, Sucha Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got your cucumber. The juice of the press, but your boy never is. God. I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, Prince of Peck, and the Fashion Over Casanova. We made $5, $10, $10. Forget the small change, baby. Big money, one. Big money. Shout out to everyone that's never heard this song before, but you're gonna hear it for the first time at a barbecue in like Queens or Brooklyn or Topeka, Kansas, and you're gonna know it from here. You're welcome. Yeah, going after my salute is Dipset. Mm-hmm. Ow. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left, Trill Resort, top left, Manager's Marv.
Yo,
go with me, Raptors.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Don't cheese me, bro.
Kawhi cheesed us, bro.
Kawhi left. Trill Resort, holy cow! I'm at the money store, Mr. Soft Pawns, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. I had to use like the Burt's Bees hand solution because my hands were chafed. Ooh, nasty stuff. Yeah. Felt like I was beating off with a catcher's mitt. Mr. OJ, we got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Hey! Does not provide your daily amount of vitamins or please cannot consider this real juice.
Diabetes!
David Yurman, are you worth $120 million going through the divorce and need to buy a leather bracelet for your wrist?
Hey.
Go to David Yurman, now available at Sky Mall.
All right.
These expensive. These bloody shows. Smokeem, no, I don't even know what team I'm on now in the NBA, but you know what? I'll probably get a ring. Andrew Cunanan.
Oh.
That's right, I killed Versace.
Oops, somebody stop me.
You know, I knew that. AKA the Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down on me, Charlie.
Yo, sit pun it, why pun it?
Call me Petco, cause I got your bitch on freeze. Call me Petco, cause I got your bitch on freeze. That's if Nicki Minaj worked at Petco.
I got your bitch on freeze.
Who tried to get that pet coat on freeze? Safari's just behind like.
Nigga popping like it.
Whose dog is this? Is our bitch on freeze? Sorry that I killed your little doggy. The topic of gossip is Sayas and shout out to the 11791.
Yo, we out here.
Whoa. What do you mean? This weekend construction, I gotta use the fucking plane. I gotta walk over the fucking first track to the second track.
Hey, asshole, I don't need a ticket. I got a fucking Mike Richter jersey on.
Hey.
You fucking fanook.
My father worked sanitation for 4 years. I gotta pay for the LIRR.
Hey, I pay your taxes, pal.
You know what it is? You know what the double R stands for? Rough Riders.
That's right, yeah.
That's what I call me and Marcus when we gotta go through, Huntington Station. It's disgusting. AKA Grandpa Joe, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. And Charlie chops your face and you lose your eye like Samuel L. Jackson and Captain Marvel. You know what it is.
No.
Spoiler. Yo, it's your man, Jesus. Morning, Sheriff. Hey. You don't mind if I put some Infamil down my pants and waddle out really fast. I'm gonna sell it at a bodega. So probably someone needs a baby, but you know it's whatever. Been shopping that street, he's like a bad beats like I'm easy. Please believe me. Then I look at New York tax rates and I was like, you know what? Maybe not. The black Asia addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Oh, let's set lower lumbar go. Ooh, yeah. It's a La Marina, Metro Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. I'm the sheep mask killer. No one could be iller. Straight up. The black Zach Morris from Port Morris, aka your problematic bae. Listen. If your secret family finds out about your real family at your funeral,
it don't matter because you dead.
You dead. Up next in the home run competition, we have the pride of. Okay, well, for some reason there's whiteout on this birth certificate, so we're just gonna keep it moving.
Yeah, that's right, papi. Give me the bate and let me go. It's your boy the Mero, aka the Human Durag Flap, aka Donovan McDab. You know what I'm saying? Aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking doggo, nigga, and keep it moving. Asking if I give a fuck, nigga. I don't. I'm no fucking man. I no fucking baby. I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA, no need to check the guest list, motherfucker. I am the guest list. I played Starscream in Transformers. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, they shoot this nigga's fucking earrings off, man. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, hold that. Stupid. And I ain't coming back. Shit's trash.
Oh my God. He used hip hop for Fader.
Yeah. Motherfucker. AKA. Fuck you all. Yeah, fuck y'all niggas. Yo, get back over here. Yo, you doing reviews too?
Oh my God, don't shoot my girlfriend. She has dirty white Air Force Ones.
Nah. She's dumb for them shits. Shoot her right in the laces.
Oh my God, you shot me in my feelers.
Hold that.
How am I gonna suck my dick for pills now?
Shit look like sketches, bitch. CC dab Bathia, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm over 10 dabs on Instagram Live. You heard? You know what I'm saying? You can't get into this money and this smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. Shout out to the gas man pulling up in an Uber, nigga, man, reckless.
Real niggas do real things.
You know what I'm saying?
Your favorite gas man would never.
You never have the Uber on deck.
Only gas man we know got the same code as the mill, as a post office.
That's right.
He's like through rain, through sleet,
anywhere.
Through really humid nights, through weekend construction.
Fuck, nigga.
I don't care if the playoffs. I'll come to you in the fourth quarter if I know the game is like set already.
You need weed December 31st at 11:55 p.m.
I got you.
Ho, ho, ho.
I'm
pulling up. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I got my kids playing in the summer league, getting ready for the fucking season because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Smack Bayombo. You know what I'm saying? AKA D-Yayo Maradona. AKA Dick in your baby Matoba. You know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. AKA David Trisdale, nigga. Pow pow, nigga. Take that for data. We got all the power forwards, nigga. All of them. I'm gonna snap and make half of them disappear. AKA Barlow Santana, nigga, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car.
Are you awake?
What?
Are you awake?
What?
Did you fall asleep at the wheel?
No. Why would I do that? Why would I do that?
He said he didn't fall asleep. It's a camp of kids.
What are you talking about?
They're not moving. They're unresponsive. I have his license plate right here. He can't drive off. You're in big trouble, mister.
What?
How many chains is that? There's not gonna be chains where you're going. Yeah, he's Dominican. He looks to be.
Shit, I gotta get rid of this bitch. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. You snitching? You calling the ops? Fuck out of here, Miss Weinstein.
Judy was right about you.
She was.
She said you're a useless platinum.
That's why I'm drinking on your lean.
You shot me in my gallbladder, you son of a bitch. I'm not even Miss Weinstein. I'm Tekashi 6ix9ine. I was a witness protection. You son of a bitch. Stupid. I'm not even gonna get to the chance. The blood sets you. I know it. You think I'm stupid? Now you stupid. Are you done?
Look at blood coming out of his ears. The Dominican done died attack with daddy, nigga. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Okay, swipe my motherfucking card again, dog. Steve just deposited this shit. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how
you tried the card. You tried the card an hour ago. There was no money on it. Now there's a substantial amount of money, but it wasn't on us. Perhaps you should see how much money is on your card.
Okay,
you come in here just buying shit.
All right, well, listen.
Relax.
You like your little genius bar job, Kevin? Huh?
Not really. I actually would like to be like a veterinary tech or maybe like a cat tech.
Oh, that's beautiful. Shut the fuck up and put my dongles in the bag, nigga. And I want a bag for my dongle. I know it's 2 inches long, but I want a bag.
Sir, could you stop saying?
I want a bag for my dongle.
Can you stop saying dongle?
No. I want dongles.
Sir,
y'all got dongles?
Sir, there's
what size dongles you got? Y'all got BBDs?
There's a Discovery Zone right there. There's a Discovery Zone right there.
Y'all got big black dongles?
Sir.
I need that big black dongle.
Sir. Everyone's like walking around like,
yo.
TMZ's like, doo. Kid Mero has a dongle attack in Palisades Mall. He is now banned from the food court.
Yo.
I don't know. He was always really cool, but he would always give me shit. So I'm actually glad to. I'm glad to see him go and let him know Jeremy says hello.
Like, pull up for Jeremy's crib, like.
Oh, he's outside.
What up, Jeremy?
He's outside. No.
Hey, Jeremy, what's up?
No.
Oh, I lost everything. I lost my show.
No.
My wife left me. I see my kids monthly.
Nah, what?
How you feel?
I didn't have anything to do with that.
No, you was talking a lot. You know what you do when you talk? You open your mouth. Open your fucking mouth. Open your fucking mouth. Open your mouth. How that taste? The fuck up. Nah, it's the Uber. You didn't see none of that. We get back in there. Let's go.
Oh, I saw everything, sir.
Excuse me?
I saw everything.
Oh, you saw everything? Are you about to see this? See Christ, nigga. Now I'm driving this Honda Fit to my crib. Fuck out of here.
Vete, coño.
AKA Romeo Santos.
Wait, are you just murdering everyone?
I'm on a rampage.
I go on Twitter, I'm like,
whoa, active shooter in the AKAs.
I was like, okay, wow. Okay, so the blood of the innocent will be avenged with the running off of the platelets of the guilty. Okay, you know what? All right, I'm going to play some 2K. Put my phone in Do Not Disturb.
Niggas blowing you up like,
the comments like, yo, Desus Mero's on a murder spree. I was like, nah, his name is Murder Mero.
Yo, he's taking that shit real serious.
He's really murdering people. I'll see you the next day. I was like, yo, you was wrong last night, bro.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I had a little too much sauce, you know what I'm saying? Like, shit happens. I should have just took an edible and went to sleep, but, went on a shooting spree instead. AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. I'll suck your mother toes on stage at Pizza Zoo, nigga. I don't care. I dare you. Come up here, square up. I'll kick you in your balls with my Chelsea boots, nigga. So stop. AKA Lightning El Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you broke and say you're fine.
How you don't got? It's like, come on.
Do they even make $5 bills anymore? That's the serious question.
Wow. Let me ask you, when this podcast is done, are you going to go adopt a redheaded orphan, Daddy Warbucks?
It's showtime.
I mean, I'm filling out paperwork with Miss Heineken. Did they even make $5? Like, if you got a $5 bill right now, you'd be physically disgusted. You wouldn't know what to do with it.
Yesterday, this is a true story. Yesterday, Heather was like, yo, you got $5? I was like, nah. I went on my wallet. I was like, 20, 50, 50, 100. I was like, nah, I don't. And then I was like, oh, wait, I think I saw one on the floor in the closet downstairs. And then I went and I grabbed it. She's like, yo, that's for Adrian's bake sale. Diddy moment. You know what I'm saying? Nah, let me chill before behind the music. I'm telling the story.
Wait till someone gonna do the wild home invasion. You gonna be tied up. You gonna look out the window and be like, "Is that Desus driver?"
Oh, yo, no, not for nothing. But like, yo, since the whole fucking Swiftie doxing shit, like the FBI dude was like, "Yo, get the home security system." So I got the home security system. Now we're spending more money. You know
how much is? But I mean, like, how fast do they get there?
Oh, the cops are like literally 2 blocks away.
How long is that?
Like 30 seconds, bro. When you live in money neighborhood, like niggas come quick. I'll just have them there on deck. I'll be like, yo, just stay at the end of the block because I think Jesus is playing something.
30 seconds. All right, in and out. Completely unrelated. What major highway is near your house?
Roots. Get the fuck out of here. He can't
nigga robbing you, and I'm just like, wait, what's the fastest way back to New York City? This is embarrassing. Like, I'll take the tape off you after I beat you with a gun. I'm like, yo, yeah, this is embarrassing.
Yeah, I know, nigga. I know.
Shut the fuck up.
Nah, yeah. I know it's you now, so this is like, I mean,
fuck up.
Okay, all right. Okay. All right.
Yo,
okay. No.
What's the
Oh yeah, I'm terrified. Please don't kill me, please.
Right in one of your legs and shit.
I'm like, damn! I was like, dog, I'm on so much drugs I didn't feel it. Do it again. Oh shit, that shit could feel kind of good.
Shoot you in your butt cheek. Like,
ooh.
Yo, what's the address here? Because the Waze is giving me across the street. Like I need to do a
big. Put the Dunkin' Donuts down the block. I don't want niggas know my address. We cool, so you can invade my house, nigga. That's it.
Lucky I'm out of bullets. Anyway, shit, 39. You know what? Yo,
it's a long drive, bro. I don't think it's worth it.
Yeah, you know what? Can I
got $300.
Can I just charge my phone?
Yeah, just go ahead.
All right. Charge the phone while you tied up and shit.
Give my $300 back, bro. You could really here's $100.
Yo,
for gas and the tolls.
I'll come back
and
in the room. Like, yo, quick. I feel bad.
What? What do you? What now? You want some water or something?
Nah, it's like this whole situation. Like I duct taped your family and shit. Okay, shot one of your kids.
I mean, it's cool. I do it all the time.
The thing is, like, I don't know the Wi-Fi, so it's like.
It's in the drawer with the forks.
Oh, you really gonna make me go? You don't know it off the top of your head?
Nah,
nigga?
it's. Oh man, dog! I'm not trying to make it something wild.
Yo, fam.
Nah, I leave the original shit. The shit that looks like a wild combination of letters and numbers.
Like I'm gonna keep it funky with you. If that shit is over 12 characters.
Oh, so you better shoot me now, nigga. I done seen everything but Christ.
The fuck is this, an underscore?
AKA Tom Crazy. You got my balls deflated more than Bobby Kraft, boy. AKA Phil the Ass Tyson. I wouldn't explain your Cosmos Mob, but very consensually. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy, very first nigga to tap out on live. I've been doing this.
First.
You know what I'm saying? Originator. You know what I'm saying? None greater. AKA Final Bessie MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zeniel Bennyfield. I gotta get them sticks.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I can travel to the UK. AKA Joe Hookah, nigga. I dare you.
Say what?
To smog with me.
Give me a location.
At Mama Sushi.
No. That's where you guys went with Mayor Pete, and you guys were like pandering. So I'm boycotting the Bodega Boys, and I'm boycotting Mama Sushi, and I'm boycotting Hookah, and I'm boycotting Uptown, and I'm boycotting Sushi, and I'm boycotting Mamas, and I'm boycotting I'm boycotting Gravity.
I'm boycotting.
I'm boycotting Pete's. I'm boycotting Pete Davidson. I'm boycotting
and judges too.
And judges too. Yeah, I'm boycotting Aaron Judge,
Judge Judy, Judge Joe Brown,
Judge. You know, all that.
You know why?
Fuck
Because
that.
you guys are that was pandering.
I'm also boycotting pandas.
Yo, aka Ben Boston.
Thump.
My hands are gifted.
Thump.
Give me a second here. I'm a little stressed out. I'm trying to fix the Knicks. This is my greatest challenge to date. I might fail. Oh no. I can't do it. I've never failed at a surgery before. Candy, give me that. Give me it.
Wow.
Damn, that's crazy. The end of the Ben Boston saga. He couldn't fix the Knicks. Hey, help me, Minister Captain, nigga. You know who the fuck I am, man. It's the Zen, man. It's gonna be okay, Rico Sabroso, you know what I'm saying? That's what your Titi call me. Okay, baby, Newport 2 for 5 niggas that got garbage down the way. Okay, Nino Brown, shut the car down. Got your girl butt naked bagging up. AK live from the front of the Boost mobile store next to the laundromat is the East Tremont Stevie B opening the door for patrons and asking for change while doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your DD is Fucking and Dope Sick Club, Come Back to Me.
Bobby, hold on. All this time you calling me East Tremont, you calling yourself East Tremont Stevie B. I'm Stevie B. I'm the original. Yeah. And I don't appreciate you making fun of me. Because let me tell you something. I'm going on tour, big time tour with somebody.
Big time Tommy?
That's right, Papi. I don't know how you guessed it. It's the big time tour with Stevie B and DJ Beanie Dice. Okay, we doing it real big. So get the fuck out of here with the fucking laundromat and all the other stuff. I'm getting paid $250 to do these 5 dates.
Straight up.
So beat that, motherfucker. Niggas trying to play me. AKA.
There's no more rock stars left, mate. It's only us. It's the two of us, the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with 12 grams of yay off in my butt.
I love it.
You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, balancing his portfolio with moderate risk investments. It's Bormello's Anthony. Wow, solid investment in Apple. Wow, incredible. If you see me at Target higher than Jason Whitlock's blood pressure, dog, approach me like a motherfucker earth sign mammal, nigga. I may react radically. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Pets on the Cloud. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your kid's birthday party after it's over. And for my grand finale, I will fall asleep and urinate on myself. You're not getting your deposit back, sucker. Peace out. I hope the Uber's still on side. Also, fake link to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Costco laundry detergent and Snapple Apple. You know what I'm saying? So enjoy that EP, my nigga.
Oh boy, this guy stinks.
Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, ¿qué es lo que es? Esta es la vuelta que hay. Llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño. Ahora vengo con rango, mamá huevo. Tengo tanta camisa que ahora me llaman camisamán. Demasiado ratatá. Más pegado que los dos perros cingando, coño. Llégale a la grasa. Siempre con la bandera alta como la nota de Desus. Oye, loco, estamos de gira. Si tú no llegaste a ver a Michael Jackson en vivo, esta vaina es igualita. Bodegahive.com, you know what I'm saying? Para tu boleto. Chequea ahí, de ese lado. Hey, shout out a la casa Showtime. Shout out Cash App, you know what I'm saying? Como siempre. Y como siempre, shout out Love Smith. Si usted no tiene cuarto, coño, quédate en tu fucking casa y no me pleito, loco. Y shout out a DJ Hasan que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Víctor, el timón del vehículo. Shout out Yo Q. Shout out Jubilee. Shout out Dímelo. Shout out la nena de la bodega. Dayana y Victoria, la Diabla y la Angelita. Y shout out mi presidente Pío. You know what I'm saying? Secretario de Defensa, activo con el cañón. Suéltalo. Me quité. Ya.
What he said, and coño, and all that good shit. Be sure to check out Bodega Hive.
That's right.
For more concert tickets, because we got a second show added in LA.
That's right.
You missed out on the first, be sure to be on the second one, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Time this airs, we're the Body 305, all the way live. Dale. Also, be sure to check out, I don't know, it's a little pet project me and Mero have called The Greatest Show on Earth. Number one show on late night.
Oh, yeah.
Desus Mero, number one show. Right. Mondays and Thursdays at showtime at 11 p.m. That's right.
Twice a week, you know what I'm saying?
Twice a week.
Like intercourse.
For most marriages, yeah. Like, you know after like 10 years, you know, you don't really like each other anymore. So it's just like, yo, this fucking, you be here, I be here.
You know
sometimes you be a little wet. We used to do this, you know.
Put this wig on.
When we got married, we put a penny into this bowl for every time we had sex. It's the 10-year anniversary. We take a penny out every time we have sex. And let me tell you something. We filled the bowl a lot faster than it is to empty it. You know what I mean?
Yo, should I talk about Dominican niggas because they'd be like, "Can you call me?" Yo, Dominican niggas are so nasty. I'm gonna go.
Good night.
I'm gonna go on the record and say that.
We ending with a final rant? Go
Yes.
ahead. Dr. Mero's final rant.
We don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck, dog. Like, bro, I'll be married to you for 25 years. You could look like straight. You could look like Ursula from Little Mermaid. I'm still blowing that back out. You know what I'm saying? Holla. You know what I'm saying? Because we nasty boys. Sucio gang.
Look at that Russian propaganda about Dominicans being faithful. Get the fuck out of here.
Sucio gang, nigga.
You know what it is. Bodega Hot for life. Check out bodegahot.com. We out. You heard?
Tickets, you heard?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Look! Oh my God!